In this video, you will learn how to form negative questions. This topic is a part of questions. As learned earlier, negative questions are used in 4 ways. To be extra polite to make offers or invitations. For example, won't you come inside? For a confirmation. For example, hasn't he come yet? To express opinions in a more polite way. For example, can't we go on the merry-go-round once more? And to ask for a confirmation of something you believe is true. For example, didn't you see him fall? There are 2 types of negative questions: contracted negative questions and uncontracted negative questions. Let us look at the sentence formation of contracted negative questions. Begin with a negative contracted word like don't, won't, or isn't. Add the pronoun or noun followed by the verb. For example, don't you understand? Or won't you sit down? Or isn't it hot today? If the negative contracted word is not used, the sentence sounds incorrect. For example, is not it hot today? Or do not you understand? Always use the negative contracted form of is, are, did, and have, or the negative form of verbs such as will, can, could, or should. Contracted negative questions are generally used in a casual setup with friends and family. Let us look at the sentence formation of uncontracted negative questions. Begin with a word such as are. Add the pronoun or noun followed by not. Add the action word and additional details after that. For example, are you not coming? Or, can you not make so much of noise? Use the uncontracted form of is, am, are, did, have, and verbs like will, can, could, and should. Uncontracted negative questions are generally used in a formal setup. Now you know how to form negative questions.